Welcome, I'm Duncan McGregor from Enphase and I'm here to work with you on this excellent topic, learn about your Enphase Energy System. Now in this session, this is part of the Enphase System Owner webinar series where I'll be sharing a wealth of information for people who have recently installed microinverters and Enphase batteries, or those of you who are wanting to learn a bit more information about the systems that you already have on the roof of your home. Today we're going to work through a quick agenda, understanding your solar and/or your battery system, setting up your Enphase app, the Enphase Advantage, warranty, support and flexibility. Overview of your Enphase Energy Systems. Let's start on the roof. Microinverters convert DC power from solar panels into AC power at the individual panel level. This enhances system efficiency and reliability and safety. The IQ Gateway acts as brains of the system, monitoring energy production and facilitating communication between each of the components. The IQ batteries enable energy storage and management. These allow users to store excess energy for later use or sell it back to the grid. The Enphase Cloud securely stores all the system data so you can have access 24/7 and also view the data since the day of your installation. And Enphase Monitoring provides real-time insights into energy production, consumption, system health via a free, user-friendly interface. I will now highlight the key Enphase system components. Let's begin by looking at IQ microinverters and a technical overview. Microinverters are located under each solar panel. These convert the DC electricity that solar panels produce into the AC power that your home uses. What do microinverters do? Microinverters allow each panel to work and produce solar energy independently. These allow for the maximum solar energy production for your home by optimizing the solar energy production. And please feel free to share in the video comment section any reasons why you chose Enphase microinverters for your home. Independent solar panels give you peace of mind that if some of the panels fall into shade or they have, say, debris like bird poo, that the rest of the system will keep working as normal, without limiting production on the rest of the panels. Complex roof layouts, shading, debris can limit solar power generation, but with microinverters, they work very well to minimize the impact of these, so you can get the most of your system with green electricity into your home. Microinverters are very flexible, make for easy system expansions. If your energy needs change, say if you get an EV for example, or update your appliances to electric ones, or even want to get home battery storage by adding more Enphase microinverters, it's very easy. You're not limited with microinverters, it's only the amount of roof that you have available that you can fit solar onto. Enphase microinverters are smarter and tougher. They're weatherproof and IP67 rated, with 1 million hours of testing under the harshest of conditions. It's a software-defined architecture that seamlessly updates to add Enphase system features or to comply with the ever-changing requirements of the grid. And you can see here is a quick look at the range of the generations of microinverters that have been installed in Australia and New Zealand throughout the past decade. IQ Gateway and IQ System Controller. This is a device that gathers data from each of your IQ microinverters and IQ Battery 5P and communicates this to the Enphase app via the internet. An IQ Gateway logs your own energy usage in the home and communicates this data to the Enphase app also. An IQ Gateway will be located inside a switchboard or inside the IQ System Controller. This will be fitted onto an internal or an external wall in your home. Benefits of Enphase storage. So the IQ Battery 5P maximizes the value of your solar installation by storing excess power. It is weatherproof with an IP55 outdoor rating and has an industry-leading 15-year warranty. It's flexible for expansion and also has customizable user settings. So much like your solar system, the IQ Battery 5P utilizes customized IQ8 microinverters to convert the power from your battery into AC power for your home. The IQ Battery 5P lithium iron phosphate cell pack is paired with the AC wiring throughout and offers a safety-first approach with extra low voltage battery cell wiring. IQ batteries can protect you and your home if the grid goes down. We will now take a closer look at the Enphase monitoring and the benefits that this brings to you. Some highlights of using the Enphase apps include: Enphase apps give you and your installer visibility into your system's operation. You can access your Enphase Energy System's full lifetime energy data from anywhere. You can also see in real time how much energy you're producing, using and saving. The Enphase app gives you daily data summary, live status, energy overview screen, and also panel level monitoring. Now for support and warranty, you can now view the warranty date and the duration of each of your Enphase system components. Within 6 months, you can purchase Enphase warranty extensions for up to 25 years, and you can also purchase this via your installer. You can access streamlined support with your solar installer's contact information, or even contact Enphase directly, all found within the app. How to set up your Enphase app. Download the Enphase app, also known as Enlighten, from the Apple or Google Play Store. Set up the account using the welcome email from Enphase, and scan the QR code on the screen here to watch this short video from our Energy 101 series for further assistance. The Enphase Advantage. Let's now look at warranty, support and flexibility. There's a whole host of online resources, and we've got this great Enphase Australia YouTube channel. You can access the Enphase Homeowner Energy 101 video series through this web URL. There's also the Enphase website where you can learn more about your Enphase system in detail at enphase.com. And we've also created a fantastic Enphase community where you can learn from other Enphase homeowners. It's an excellent community forum. Again, go to the Enphase website and you'll discover the Enphase community. So this completes the presentation for learning about your Enphase energy system. And please be sure to view the other videos in this series that I have created so that you can get to know your Enphase system and you'll be able to get the most out of it.